Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a weird situation where your iPhone 12 is either stuck on an Apple logo or stuck on a black screen. Now, this is a pretty common problem, and I've seen a lot of people go through this, and I've been in this situation a billion times as well. And it's not something fun to be in, and you may be afraid that all your stuff and all your information is going to be gone. But hopefully, you've done a backup. If you didn't, it's totally okay. There's still some ways that you can actually get through with it, so don't freak out just yet. And even if none of these things work, you can actually still probably access a lot of your data and stuff too, so it's still not gone. So the first thing that Apple actually recommends you to do is if you're stuck in a black screen, stuck in an Apple logo, whatever, is to do this specific process. And on your iPhone 12, what you want to do is you want to locate the volume buttons on your iPhone. So on the side, you can see you have the volume up and the volume down buttons. So what you want to do is you want to quickly release the volume up, press it and quickly release it, the volume down, quickly release it, and then hold the side button right here until your phone eventually boots over. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Up, down, and hold that side button. And what you'll see is you'll get into this panel, but you won't see it because you'll be stuck on an Apple logo. So you just want to keep holding it until your phone eventually restarts. And you'll see my phone actually restarts. And if you have an Apple logo, that's stuck on your phone, you'll eventually see it go away and then come back on. So you'll probably see something like this, maybe not, but eventually it'll go ahead and restart this specific icon, and you might be able to actually get into your phone itself, which is huge. Now, if that still doesn't end up working, what Apple also recommends is, funny enough, is letting your phone charge. If your phone is completely dead or you assume it's dead, and in some cases as well, if your phone was in a super hot condition and super cold conditions, I've heard a lot of people, with a lot of stories say their phone won't boot up, they're on a vacation and their phone is just super cold, or their phone is overheating. This could cause your phone to not even boot up in the first place. So if you're in a really hot condition or really cold conditions, it's recommended to actually leave your phone in somewhat normal room temperature conditions in order for it to actually kind of become better and for it to even go through and actually boot up into the software that it has. So that's really the main way that Apple recommends you to actually go and refix your phone if it's stuck on an Apple logo, is to click the volume up, volume down, and then hold that side button until your phone officially and eventually reboots. Now, if that doesn't work, there's an alternative method on how to actually reset your phone and install your own factory software on it, which, it's not your own, it's Apple's. And I can go ahead and leave that tutorial link down below, is the first link. But a majority of times, if your phone, after an update or something is, screwed up, what you can do is click that volume up, click the volume down, and then hold that side button, and eventually you should be able to boot through. So that's really pretty much the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.